Hi everyone. Today we are troubleshooting and fixing a selfie stick shutter button. First I will replace the old battery with this new one. I already have one CR1632 battery and I feel it's same used in this shutter button device. Here's our shutter button that stopped working, so let's fix it. Let's open this device. Notice this depression here. We will try to open it from here. My guess is correct, it's the same battery type. I will put this new battery and discard the old one. Now we have replaced the battery. I will try to start the shutter button. It still did not work. I think the battery is correct type, but let's open it again and compare the new battery with the old one. They match perfectly, so I use the correct one. On taking a closer look, the battery has some leakage. Let's inspect the circuit closely. I found a thin layer of discharge from old battery is on the circuit. This might be the issue. I will carefully clean the thin layer of dirt on this portion using a cotton earbud. Now the internals are clean and the battery is new. It should work. Let's place everything back together and try again. This time we got success. The shutter button works and the light is on. Now I will connect it to my phone using Bluetooth and test that the shutter button works. To connect this shutter button to my mobile, I will simply turn it on and search it in my mobile Bluetooth. Let's connect to this one. This is the name of my selfie stick. So this should be the shutter button. Let's capture a photo using the shutter button. Perfect. A quick photo test done. Switch to video mode and start recording. It also works. Finally, I will disconnect the shutter button. Thanks for watching. If you find this interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.